Hi, in this video I will show you how to get unbanned on Gorilla Tag on the Steam version. So in order to get unbanned, here are some steps that you can utilize. You first need to understand the reason for your ban. You can launch Gorilla Tag and see the ban message on the screen. And do take note to take a screenshot or write down the reason and duration of the ban. Bans may occur for reasons such as modding, cheating, offensive behavior, or violating community rules. You can also check Gorilla's tags rule and visit the Gorilla Tag Discord server or Lemmings developer notes in order to see what's happening. So you may get some insights on why you were actually banned on Gorilla Tag. Next thing you can do is you can go to the official Gorilla Tag Discord link. So once you have done that, you can head over and then go to this link address right here, which is the discord.gg/gorilla tag. You can join the server and look for a channel called Ban Appeals or similar and read the pinned message carefully in order to get the option. You can provide your Steam username, approximate time and date of the ban, as well as reasons if you have any, and also input a respectful explanation if you believe it was a mistake or you've learned from it. You can also be patient and polite because moderators are volunteers or part of the development team onto the actual Gorilla Tag. Please avoid creating alt accounts or spam accounts or alternative accounts on your Gorilla Tag as this violates Gorilla Tag's terms and conditions. Now, from this, last step that you can do is you can learn from the ban that happened because even if the appeal is rejected, use it as an opportunity to better understand the community standards so that your future behavior will align to the rules to help you stay unbanned. So, in here, just a disclaimer, these instructions follow Gorilla Tag's official and community recommended appeal process. We do not promote ban evasion, hacking, or manipulation of Steam or game files. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.